many pictures, land, many designer, and changes. I'm from Vietnam, the capital city in Hanoi. I'm Vietnamese. I have 5 people in my family. My focus subject is English. I go to the class on Monday and Saturday. Nice to meet you.
Good, nice to meet you. Let's go to the room.
My name is Stephanie. My from and I go to the movie theater on Saturday. It's between the library and the park. We like watching movies. We eat popcorn too. It's fun.
What's her name?
Her is
Stephanie.
Stephanie.
Where do they go on Saturdays?
I go to the movie theater on Saturday.
What do they eat?
They eat popcorn.
What does Anne want?
And was some love.
Emma and Danny, what do they want?
Emma and Danny want pepper.
Peanuts. At the vegetable market, what do they need? Good.
They need tomato.
1.
They need carrot.
6.
They need cabbage.
6. 5.
This is a library.
2.
This is a post office.
4.
This is a movie theater.
1.
This is a supermarket.
Tell us the place they are and what they are doing. 1.
Mike is at the post office.
What's he doing?
Yes, Mary letter at the post office.
What do you want to make? Lisa.
I want to make fruit salad.
What do you need?
Need some tomatoes and apple.
Ella, what do you want to make?
I want to make smoothie.
What do you need?
I need some banana and yogurt.
Now, the place is 4. He's up there, she's up there. 4.
At the poster. He at the
Museum.
museum.
1.
He at the beach.
5.
She at the pool.
A crossword between 1 A.
The park is across from the movie theater.
2 B.
The movie theater
Is between
is between the park and the library.
3 A.
The supermarket across from the next stop.
Very good. What are they doing at the circle? 1 A.
He is shopping at the department store.
2 A.
She is watching a movie at the movie theater.
5 B.
They married at the post office.
Right, that's easy.